Want to know the best and the prime time to consume protein throughout the day? Then please check out this video. If your body is physically active, then you have to consume protein in each and every meal that you have throughout the day. First one is going to be exactly after you wake up. The next one is your breakfast. Third one belongs to your lunch. Fourth is your evening snacks, fifth is your dinner, and the last one is exactly before the bed. Best time to consume your protein is exactly after you wake up. Your body is in a catabolic stage, which is the fasted state. So in this period, when you provide your body with good amount of protein, it adapts your body perfect. In this first meal, you can add egg whites, boiled eggs or omelets, and in the supplementation part, you can add whey protein. The second best time to consume protein is exactly after you work out, that is post-workout. When your muscles break down, you need to provide them with good amount of protein. Remember that it should compulsory be a whey isolate protein and not a whey concentrate or casein protein. In food items, you can again add egg whites, maybe chicken breast, or maybe you can just rely on a plant protein as well. And the third best timing to consume your protein is exactly before your bed. You grow whenever you're sleeping or you are at rest. Add a few slow digesting proteins before you sleep. For example, you can add paneer, cottage cheese, Greek yogurt, and in supplementation, you can add casein protein powder. You can add milk in your diet just before bed because it has casein present in it. So exactly after you wake up, exactly before you sleep, and your post-workout meal. This is the best time to consume your protein. For more details, please save this video and follow our page. Cheers.